When talking of the medtech industry, there are some common challenges that most people in this industry can relate to. Join me and Caroline in a discussion on what are the common industry challenges and how we at Alexis have helped companies navigate these.
In the 6+ years of Alexis's history, we've known many common problems our clients face, and we see that these problems are faced worldwide in the industry.
The 5 big challenges are hiring, dealing with attrition, fund management, working with multiple parties, and project management.
Many medtech companies being small and not well known yet, hiring is a challenge. They could certainly get passionate people in R&D, but for regulatory and quality, hiring a complete team with a director or manager is an issue. Also, the volume of work may not justify all such hiring.
Yeah, and even when they get a team and or manager, there is attrition to deal with. With a millennial workforce and people exploring what they want to do and changing priorities between family and work, attrition is common. But in regulatory and quality, continuity is of great importance, and attrition really doesn't help. In such cases, companies can waste valuable time and money in numerous gap assessments in trying to get compliant and struggling with any upcoming audit or certification.
That is true. Attrition is just as big of a challenge, considering the knowledge transfer and things that can fall through the cracks with the transition both in a big company and a small company. At the same time, no company wants to pursue overstaffing just to make themselves attrition-proof.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, because a medtech company wants to focus their funds on R&D and innovation, rather than having to worry about compliances and regulations all the time, they face real difficulty of fund management between multiple expensive experts and consultants versus in-house or outsourced product development and testing costs.
Yeah. So finding all the regulatory and quality expertise and execution under the same roof is a challenge. A medtech company ends up interfering with multiple experts, and vital information can definitely be lost in the due course if not tracked well. There is a good amount of personal dependency in the case of the expert not being there or is on vacation or not doing well. This is not ideal for any medtech company.
Yeah, I completely agree with that, Caroline. And in addition to the list of experts, there are test labs, developers, contract manufacturers, CROs, and so on. The need of interfacing with many people creates a major gap of project management, which can really hamper the time to the market.
Enough about the problems. Let's see what the solutions are there for these.
Well, of course, as always, the solutions can be many, but we'd like to share how we've helped companies and practically seen it work.
Many medtech companies have chosen FTE services, that is our full-time equivalent services that have been offered for over 6 years now at Alexis. So this involves an execution team with a manager or director from Alexis, a full-time execution team with their in-house manager or director at the medtech, a part-time execution personnel, or a manager.
You name the combination and Alexis has done it. This is really to give you as a company flexibility.
Many of our clients have suggested that this solved most of the problems. In fact, these services helped to win some of our clients who are pretty much in a very tight spot.
The FTE service offerings are cost-effective. They involve experts in an advisory capacity. We facilitate prompt responses. And basically, this gives you as a company a lot of flexibility based on your requirements.
Very true. Alexis continues to address all the challenges discussed in this video, and we are excited to help more companies in the coming years and months.
That's great. Thanks for the chat, Caroline, and thank you to you guys for watching our video. And please do not hesitate to share your questions with us and share what's been your challenge. Thanks for your time.